Hello guys, imagine you are driving an electric vehicle. The motor is running well, the vehicle is reliable, and you're still enjoying the driving experience. But there is a frustrating problem. Your battery range is not enough anymore, so many EV owners keep asking themselves, should I spend thousands on battery upgrade or should I buy a brand new car? This is one of the most common questions we received from different EV owners. So today I will explain why battery upgrade is becoming a practical choice for many EV owners. Before making a decision, let's understand your vehicle. An electric vehicle is made up of several important systems: the electric motor, power electronics, chassis, body structure, interior, and the battery systems. For many EV owners, their vehicle is still in good condition. The motor works well, the driving experience remains comfortable. The main problem is often only one thing: the battery capacity has degraded over time. Unlike traditional vehicles, EVs have fewer moving mechanical parts. In many cases, your vehicle can continue running for many more years, and the battery is the key component that determines your driving range. When you purchase a brand new electric vehicle, you are not only paying for a new battery, you are also paying for a new vehicle body, new electronics, new interior, new features, registration costs, insurance, and the depreciation of this new vehicle. At the same time, you also loosen the value built up in your current EV, your maintenance history, your familiar driving experience, and the vehicle you already know and trust. For many EV owners, they don't need a completely different vehicle. They simply need a healthy battery, more range, and extra years on the road. That's exactly where battery upgrades become such a practical solution, because the battery is the heart of an electric vehicle. When battery capacity drops, the vehicle can still drive, but the limited range will affect your driving experience. As many of you know, earlier Nissan LEAF models came with 24 kWh, 30 kWh, or 40 kWh batteries, providing approximately 120 km to 270 km of driving range. As battery technology improves, VIVNE provides battery upgrade options from 40 kWh to 68 kWh. We help Nissan LEAF owners unlock significantly longer range, approximately 280 km to 476 km. With correct BMS program, the vehicle can recognize the upgraded battery capacity and display the accurate information on your dashboard to maintain the vehicle compatibility. Now let's take a look at a real example. Our customer from United Kingdom, and she has a Nissan LEAF ZE1. Mechanically, this Nissan LEAF is still in good condition. However, the original 40 kWh battery started to affect the driving experience. The customer reported interest including reduced driving experience and unstable battery readings on the dashboard. From LEAF side, this vehicle's total mileage is approximately 47,000 miles. The battery still showed a reasonable state of health, SOH around 90%. However, we found a noticeable difference in cell voltage balance. The maximum cell voltage difference reached 77 mV. This indicates that the battery balancing was not ideal under certain conditions, which could affect battery performance and driving confidence. Instead of replacing the entire vehicle, she chose a battery upgrade. With the upgraded brand new battery, she finally kept this LEAF she already loved, while getting longer driving range, more stable battery performance, and more confidence on the road. You can watch my previous video to see the complete upgrade process and results. This link is available in the description below. Besides improving driving range, battery upgrades also provide an important benefit. That's sustainability. Manufacturing a new vehicle requires new raw materials, new production process, and significant energy consumption. At the same time, old batteries can get a second life. Those old Nissan LEAF and Nissan ENV200 batteries can be reused for home energy storage systems. So a better battery solution means less waste, a more sustainable future, and you will get more range. Okay, the last question. Who should consider a battery upgrade? If you like your current EV, your vehicle is still in good condition, your main problem is reduced range, and you want to drive this vehicle for many more years, a battery upgrade may be the right choice. However, if you want to get the latest technology, new interior, or completely different driving experience, buying a new electric vehicle may be also a good choice. The most important thing is choosing the solution that fits your personal needs. In my opinion, an EV battery upgrade is not just about replacing a battery. It's also about giving your electric vehicle a second life with longer range, better usability, fewer charge stops, and more years of driving. Okay, if you have any thoughts, please leave your comments below. Or if you want to know whether your vehicle is suitable for a battery upgrade, please share your vehicle model with me, and we'll help you find a right solution. Thanks for your watching.